Alright guys, so just an update out here in the garage. Today we are doing a super cool mod I'm super pumped about for the STI. Some of them want to know for quite some time. I'm stumbling and can't even talk. But let's switch. So got it up in the air. So today I actually got in a Tomei titanium. So we'll be getting this guy off. Now I'm not going to do a before video because this actually has muffler delete. So, you know, if I rev this, it's not going to sound that quiet. It's still going to sound pretty good. So I'm going to go ahead and drop that down now. And then I already got the Tomei all assembled. So more on that in just a moment. Alright, so this is the Tomei all assembled. You know, holding it with one hand here. Still pretty light. This one's 15 pounds. This does have a resonator. And this generation STI has a little more bends and curves than maybe a regular Extreme TI would have. But overall, still very light. Pretty awesome exhaust. Come a little bit closer so you can see some of the stuff on here. So all the nice polished sections and the burned areas, but just looking at all the pie cuts on here and the just beautiful work. And they don't really use any flanges. This is slide-in style. They use a clamp here. You got springs on both sides just to help keep it all secured. One more section up here, and then let's flip it around. It's a really cool shot here. You know, from the raw titanium to all the cool, different colors you get in there. And then come in a little bit closer to the flange. You just see how quality and nice the welds are on this.
Somehow I woke up out in Beverly.
First thing I did is I took this heat shield off, so you don't need that and all the bolts in place if you're not running this muffler. So I did that, just clean up some stuff and got rid of the extra hangers. So right now we're gonna get this put on there, bolt it up, and see what it looks like. This will work a lot easier if you spray a little bit of penetrating oil or some sort of lube there so it slides on easy. So for the Tomei, you actually can use this front hanger. I started doing this and then everything was off by about 5 inches. So go ahead and get this part hung up and get everything else lined up. Alright, under here, trying to finish this up. Top tip, I like to wear a hoodie and put the hood up so you don't get dirt and cotton in your hair. Especially if you were working on something and you had coolant spill and you had kitty litter on the ground, which I do. That shit clumps up in your hair and you gotta wash it several times to get it out. So, had to have my brother pull back on the exhaust about an inch or so I can slide this into place. Now, since I'm still using the stock downpipe, I'm using this adapter. So it basically goes from accepting the stock donut gasket style, and then it tapers out to the 3-inch, which then mates to here, and I got a 3-inch gasket here. So I'm going to try and get this lined up a little bit nicer, and I'm going to start putting a washer and a nut on here. Get it lined up. Try to get them started.
Somehow I woke up out in Beverly.
And this helps if you use a ratcheting wrench.
I'm not sharp, yeah, the girls impolite in the club every night. That's how it goes when you Hollywood perfect. Hollywood perfect.